Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll show you how to download and install PHP 8.5 on Windows 10 without XAMPP. Go to any browser and type PHP, then click on PHP. Just go to the official website of PHP. Once you go there, just click on downloads. And if you go down, you are going to see PHP 8.5. Just look for thread safe, click on zip. The download will start. Once you finish the download, just go to your C drive and then here create a folder and name this PHP. Then go to downloads and then select, right click, extract files, then click on C drive and then click on PHP. OK. Now it has been extracted. Now go to your C drive, PHP. Now just go down and look for php.ini development. Select and then copy, right click and paste. Now you must rename the copied file. Give this name php.ini. Click on yes. Now open your command prompt. And type php space -v. So you can see it says PHP is not recognized as an internal or external command. So how to fix this? Just go to your PC, C drive, PHP, copy the address, then close. In Windows search, type PC, right click, properties. Click on advanced system settings, then click on environment variables. Under system variables, click on path, edit, new, paste. OK. 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 So you can see your PHP version.